different ways. So oo is chota oo. So we will say oo. And for bada oo, we will say oo. So like this, we have to read the digraph oo. Okay, so let's start. First is oo, ka, look. Oo, ka, tuk. Oo, ka, book. Ha, oo, ka, hook. Then we are coming to oo. So ka, oo, la, pool. Oo, la, fool. Oo, la, tool. Oo, la, fool. So हम क्या करेंगे? We will only read it with the phonics, okay? L U L double O K look ऐसे नहीं पढ़ेंगे हम. We will read it through phonic sound only, so that the concept and the pronunciation will be clear. Also, kids need to know the difference between oo and oo. So that is why we have written oo words on one side and oo words on one side. So again, we are going to read it again. Oo, look, took, book, hook, and this pool, fool, tool, pool.